Alam niyo ba may sariling hotline ang Accenture employee pagtatawag sa MaxiCare? Simula nang gamitin ko ang hotline na to, mas mabilis lang sumasagot ang MaxiCare agent. Meaning, mas mabilis lang maasikaso ang mga concerns sa MaxiCare.
Hate the long queue in the hospital or clinic for requesting a letter of authorization from MaxiCare. Do this? Try calling the MaxiCare hotline for LOA. How to request letter of authorization LOA for consultation and laboratories. What to dial when requesting outpatient and dental LOA.
Welcome to MaxiCare's exclusive Accenture Philippines line. We're here to help you live your best life. To ensure the quality of our service, we will be recording this call. MaxiCare complies with the Data Privacy Act. To read our privacy notice, please visit www.maxicare.com.ph/privacy-notice. If you agree, please stay on.